Here to show you the 1080p Wi-Fi camera by FDT. I don't know what FTD means, but anyway, it's a great little camera. You can use it in your house, outside. Just keep it covered so it doesn't get weather doesn't get to it. Comes in a little box, as you can see. It's a pretty hard box. You can mount it different ways. It plugs into your Wi-Fi to set it up. It's real simple to set up. Then after that, it gives you, there's an app where you can watch it on your phone or your tablet or computer even. So let's see. So here it is. And of course you get the quick start guide. It also comes with a mini DVD, so you can put it on your computer. You don't have to have this on your computer to operate it, but if you want to have it on your computer, you can set up that way. That's all you get. There's not much there. It's not too hard to do. And you get your Wi-Fi cable. You connect this to your Wi-Fi box, and then you connect it to the camera to program it. Here's your mount. You can mount it on a wall somewhere. Different angles. Goes like that. Screw here. And they give you some screws, but I'd recommend using something a little better than these. And comes with a template, so you can mount it right. Even though it's not that hard to mount, just have to keep it straight. And here's your power supply. Pretty easy to understand that. And here's the camera. Get it out. There it is. It's a nice little box, good foam. Anyway, here's your camera. The camera part rotates almost 360 degrees. It goes up all the way up to here. It is night vision. Works really good for night vision. Here's a little Wi-Fi antenna. They say to keep it up straight, but you know, as long as it's decent angle. On the back, there's your plug for your Wi-Fi cord. You can put a little mini SD card in it to help for memory. There's a little slot there. Has a power input and your headset, or if you want to put it to a speaker, I guess you could do that if you want. Just when you're plugging it in, make sure you're plugging. I made the mistake of plugging in the headset and couldn't figure out why the camera wasn't working. Anyway, and if you have a problem with the camera, programming it or after or something like that, which I did with my first one, there's a little tiny hole right there. That's your reset button. If you can see that, it says reset. Basically stick a pin or something sharp in there and it'll make a noise, and then the camera will turn off and reset itself. So, and then on the bottom there's where you mount your mount. The screw goes in there for the mount. I've got one up on our house. It works great. And I'm planning on putting a second one up, so see another part of the house that the first camera can't see. But like I said, it is infrared. You can't see them, but when you turn it on, you'll see a bunch of red lights. I think about 12 little red lights inside here, and it'll go infrared. Once it goes once the lights are out, it'll turn black and white, but it's really clear. There's some settings on the app where you can turn the camera left to right, up and down. You can mount it upside down on a roof or on a wall or something like that. I mean a ceiling. And then there's a setting to switch the camera. What else? Oh, you can listen, you can talk through it. I could mess with my cat's brains when I was talking through it. They couldn't figure out where I was. So, what else will it do? Oh, it'll record to your camera. You can record to the SD card, or you can record to your camera, your phone. So you can do that. Has a timestamp on it. And it's pretty nice. And you can, once you have it hooked up to your Wi-Fi system, you can go anywhere basically and see what's going on in your house. Like I was in another part of the state and it was working fine. I could control it right from my phone. So it isn't portable, meaning it won't move around by itself. It's stable. So that's about it. So like I said, it's a really good camera, and if you like these things, got it online. I don't remember the price. Oh, my light just turned out. That's it. But it's a really good camera, and once again, it's the 1080p Wi-Fi camera by FTD. That's F is in Frank, D is in David, T is in Tom. But you can do all this stuff on it. You can pause it here and see everything you can do on it. Let's see if there's anything else here. Anyway, you can read that too. Anyway, it comes in Apple and Google. So hope you like the video, and it might help you out. So follow along and subscribe, or give me a thumbs up. All right, thanks a lot.